Alright, doing a quick little video on how to make pop healthier. So, what I think you should do is, instead of taking a can of Coke or Pepsi or whatever and just drinking out of the can, put it in a cup. But first, ice cubes so you can dilute how much pop you actually take in, and actually take in some water as well. Because the amount of, calories and sugar from pop, this, for example, is a Coke. I'm not sure if I'm going to get in trouble for showing that. But, yeah, so that's a lot of sugar. In addition to that, your body normally is looking for fiber and sugar to enter your body at the same time. And this is just pure sugar. So what I propose is that you take some Metamucil. You take a small little amount, the daily serving. What is it here? Whoop. Can't focus in. 1 rounded teaspoon. I wonder why it's not focusing in really good. Anyways, it could be just my cheap phone. So, for starting, I would recommend half a tablespoon, and take it from here, put it in here, and then pour your pop in, and then drink it. So your body this way is getting some very nutritional things with the very non-nutritional things. So it makes the pop, healthier. I mean, this still isn't going to replace water or, juice. The problem with juice is it still doesn't contain the fiber. Your body's looking for that fiber with the sugar. And, that's kind of how it's supposed to be. Anyways, just my idea for making pop healthier.